What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're about to take our taste buds on a wild ride. We're talking about fast food, but not the kind you're used to. We're going international. Get ready to explore the craziest, most unique fast food items from McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's all around the world. First up, we're heading over to Japan, where McDonald's serves up a unique twist on their classic Filet-O fish, the EB Filet-O. Instead of a fish patty, imagine a crispy, juicy shrimp patty, breaded and fried to perfection. Japan is known for its amazing seafood, and they definitely don't disappoint with this burger. It's like a taste of the ocean in every bite. Alright, I'm already booking my flight to Japan. Who's coming with me? Next up, we're heading to India, where KFC is spicing things up with a unique twist on their classic chicken burger. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into the world of Indian fast food, and KFC India is bringing the heat with their Paneer Zinger. Imagine this, a crispy golden brown Zinger filet, but instead of chicken, it's stuffed with a generous portion of flavorful seasoned paneer. Add in some crunchy veggies, a dollop of spicy mayo, and wrap it all up in a soft bun, and you've got yourself a Paneer Zinger. The combination of crispy paneer, spicy mayo, and fresh veggies sounds like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Alright, next stop on our global taste tour is Brazil, where Domino's is serving up a pizza that's about to blow your mind. Get ready for a wild ride, because we're about to enter the delicious and slightly controversial world of Domino's Brazil's banana pizza. Picture this, a thin, crispy crust, topped with a sweet and creamy banana sauce, mozzarella cheese, and sprinkled with cinnamon sugar. The sweetness of the bananas, combined with the gooey mozzarella and the warm cinnamon sugar, creates a flavor combination that is surprisingly addictive. It's like a party in your mouth, and everyone's invited. In Brazil, this pizza is a beloved classic, and for good reason. Up next, we're heading to Italy, where McDonald's has a surprise in store for us. Buongiorno from Italy. We're about to dive into the heart of Italian cuisine, where McDonald's decided to try their hand at a pasta classic McSpaghetti. Imagine this, a steaming plate of perfectly cooked spaghetti, coated in a rich and savory tomato sauce, and topped with a generous portion of meatballs. It's like a taste of home, but with a McDonald's twist. It just goes to show that even the biggest fast food chains are willing to adapt and cater to local tastes. Alright, folks, next up we're heading to Thailand, where KFC is about to spice things up with a uniquely Thai twist on their fried chicken. Sawadi from Thailand. Welcome to the land of smiles, where the food is as vibrant and diverse as the culture itself. Get ready to turn up the heat, because we're about to explore the bold and flavorful world of KFC Thailand's green curry chicken. This isn't just any ordinary fast food. It's a fusion of traditional Thai cuisine and KFC's iconic crispy chicken. Now imagine that incredible aromatic and spicy green curry flavor infused into KFC's crispy fried chicken. The green curry, known for its rich coconut milk base, fresh green chilies, and fragrant herbs, brings a unique twist to the classic fried chicken. That's right, we're talking about pieces of juicy, tender chicken, coated in a crispy batter, and drenched in a rich, flavorful green curry sauce. Each bite offers a perfect balance of heat, creaminess, and crunch, making it an unforgettable culinary experience. The combination of KFC's signature crispy chicken and the bold, aromatic flavors of Thai green curry is a match made in fast food heaven. It's a dish that captures the essence of Thai cuisine, while delivering the comfort and familiarity of KFC. If you're a fan of spicy food and looking for an adventure in flavor, KFC Thailand's green curry chicken is a must-try. It's perfect for those who love to explore new tastes and aren't afraid of a little heat. The dish is not just a meal, it's an experience that takes your taste buds on a journey through Thailand's rich culinary landscape. Next up, we're heading back to Japan, where Domino's has another surprise waiting for us. Stay tuned as we continue our global fast food adventure. Konnichiwa from Japan. Welcome to the bustling streets of Tokyo, where tradition meets modernity in the most fascinating ways. We're back in the land of the rising sun, and this time, Domino's is taking us on a wild ride with their Mayo Jaga pizza. This unique creation is a testament to Japan's love for innovative and delicious food. Picture this, a fluffy, golden brown crust baked to perfection, providing the perfect foundation for a culinary adventure, topped with a generous layer of creamy mayonnaise, adding a rich and tangy flavor that complements the other ingredients beautifully. Chunks of soft, savory potatoes, crispy bacon bits, and a sprinkle of parsley come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. The parsley adds a fresh, herbal note that balances the richness of the mayonnaise and bacon. The combination of creamy mayonnaise, salty bacon, and soft potatoes creates a flavor profile that is both comforting and satisfying. It's like a warm hug in pizza form. Each bite is a delightful experience, with the creamy mayonnaise melting into the soft potatoes and the crispy bacon adding a satisfying crunch. It's the perfect blend of savory and salty, with a hint of sweetness from the mayonnaise that keeps you coming back for more. The hint of sweetness from the mayonnaise adds an unexpected twist that elevates the overall taste experience. So, if you're feeling adventurous and want to try something new, this pizza is a must-try. It's perfect for those who love to explore unique and exciting flavors. Be sure to add Domino's Japan's Mayo Jaga pizza to your must-try list. It's a culinary experience you won't want to miss. Up next, we're heading to Germany, where the culinary adventures continue. McDonald's has a special treat in store for us, and we can't wait to share it with you. Stay tuned. Guten Tag from Germany. We're about to explore the savory and satisfying world of McDonald's Germany's Nurnburger. This unique offering is a delightful fusion of traditional German flavors and the fast food convenience that McDonald's is known for. Germany is famous for its sausages, and the Nurnburger sausage is a true classic. Originating from the city of Nuremberg, these sausages are small yet packed with flavor, typically seasoned with marjoram, salt, pepper, ginger, cardamom, and lemon powder. Now, imagine that iconic Nurnburger sausage, grilled to perfection, and nestled inside a soft toasted bun. Add in some mustard, ketchup, and maybe a touch of horseradish for an extra kick. Maybe some onions for a little crunch, and you've got a sandwich that's both hearty and satisfying. The combination of the juicy sausage, the tangy condiments, and the fresh onions creates a symphony of flavors in every bite. And you've got yourself a Nurnburger. This isn't just any fast food item, it's a celebration of German culinary tradition, brought to you by one of the world's most recognizable brands. The Nurnburger sausage is the star of the show here, with its juicy, savory flavor and satisfying snap. Each bite is a testament to the rich heritage of German sausage making, and McDonald's has done a fantastic job of honoring that tradition. If you're ever in Germany and craving a taste of local cuisine, be sure to swing by McDonald's and grab yourself a Nurnburger. It's a perfect way to experience a bit of German culture, even if you're on the go. Next up, we're heading to the Philippines, where KFC has a truly innovative creation waiting for us. Stay tuned as we continue our culinary journey around the world. Mabuhay from the Philippines. We're about to enter the wonderful world of KFC Philippines, where they've combined two of the world's favorite foods into one epic creation, the Chizza. Imagine this, a crispy, juicy, flavorful fried chicken crust, topped with melted mozzarella cheese, tangy pizza sauce, and your favorite pizza toppings. It's the best of both worlds, combined into one epic dish. If you're ever in the Philippines and looking for a truly unique and satisfying fast food experience, the KFC Chizza is a must-try. Up next, we're heading back to India, where Domino's has another delicious surprise in store for us. Namaste from India. We're back in the land of spices and flavors, and this time, Domino's India is treating us to a pizza that's bursting with Indian goodness, the Peppy Paneer. Add in a medley of colorful vegetables like onions, peppers, and tomatoes, all coated in a spicy, tangy sauce, and you've got yourself a Peppy Paneer pizza. If you're a fan of Indian food and looking for a pizza that's a little different from the norm, Domino's India's Peppy Paneer is a must-try. Next up, we're heading to South Korea, where McDonald's has a special treat in store for us. Annyeonghaseyo from South Korea. We're wrapping up our global taste tour in the land of K-pop and kimchi, where McDonald's is serving up a burger that's sure to tantalize your taste buds, the Bulgogi burger. Now imagine that incredible bulgogi, piled high on a toasted sesame seed bun, and topped with crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and a drizzle of creamy, spicy bulgogi sauce. If you're ever in South Korea and looking for a burger that's a little different from the norm, be sure to head to McDonald's and try the Bulgogi burger. And there you have it, folks. We just traveled around the world, exploring some of the most unique and delicious fast food items from McDonald's, KFC, and Domino's. If you enjoyed this epic food adventure, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to let me know in the comments down below which one of these crazy fast food items you're dying to try.